Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video it's time for some Arcade1up. It's time for Arcade at Home. I finally managed to get one. These things are pretty damn hard to find here in the Netherlands. Little shout out to Pac-Man, as I am very pleased to get this one for a normal price. So in the future I'm hoping to get all of these cabinets so I can make a review for you. I'm going to give my personal honest opinion. What do I think of it? Keep in mind, these are one of the first cabinets they released from Arcade1up. So let's do a little bit of review, let's play some games, and let's become a Street Fighter Wicked Star. So for the people who don't know this, you're receiving this as an, well, not say IKEA furniture, but you're going to need to build it yourself. It's pretty damn easy. It comes in this very nice, big but flat box. Both side panels are packed up for very thick plastic for protection with the transport. Alright, the back plate, it's not made for very thick wood, but it does the trick. It closes the cabinet. What I also wanted to show you, it comes with various wooden pieces with this profile, so you can put it very easily, slide it together. And here we have the front panel with the 3 decals of the 3 games there are on the system itself. It looks very nice. It is not very thick wood, but again, it's more for decoration. Yeah, this is what we're going to get. Alright, let's take a close look at all the small parts that comes with this cabinet. Screws, tie wraps, little corners for putting all of the panels together. So let's take a close look at the 17-inch screen. So it's pretty thick plywood. As you can see here, we're having Parker that's holding this acrylic plate on place. It's nothing special. I must say it got a very nice touch to it. There is still the protection folio over it, so keep in mind it will be a little bit more glossy if you peel this off. So let's take a close look at the back, and here you can see it's only having an EDA or ribbon cable. This one goes straight into the control panel. So when unpacking the control panel, this is what we're going to get. It's almost fully assembled. So let's take a close look at this part. I just wanted to show you up close how is the quality of the print. I've noticed some little damages from transport, but I think that is not a very big issue. I also want to give you a quick look how everything is packed up together. They did a very nice job for minimizing the transport damage with chemical bag for keeping everything dry. Alright, let's take a close look inside. Let's remove these sparkers and let's see what are we going to get. Alright, I have removed the cover. Alright, let's turn it around. And I'm going to give you a little tour. How does it look on the bottom? So a little bit overview. They are using not the best quality buttons if you ask me. They are all soldered on the connectors, so there is no easy swapping. So all the wires, including the joysticks, are wired to this little PCB board. And this PCB board is connected through the EDA cable that goes to the monitor. And this cabinet comes with a 5 watt, 8 ohm little speaker. And yes, there is only one. But if I take a close look at this Street Fighter 2 cabinet, I really love the decals on it. The weirdest thing is, I don't know why that is, Arcade1up made the decision to make 2 Street Fighter cabinets. Personally, I really love the other one if it comes to the colors and the artwork. But then overall, if you look at the sticker quality, there is nothing to complain here. So let me know what do you think of this. So alright, let's talk about the layout of the Street Fighter case. So far I know the Street Fighter is the only one that having 6 buttons for each player. So that's pretty damn neat if you want to do a modification or an upgrade. But if you take a close look at the buttons, I hope you can hear it on the camera. Overall, not the best buttons I have ever seen. But there are even some little bit of quality differences if you're pressing them. There are some difference between the blue, the white, so it's very weird. The joystick itself feels nice. Of course, not to be compared with Jamma. So here we can find the on and off switch, volume control, and the player 1 and 2 buttons. So there are just basic switches, nothing special. This one got 2 positions, and that's it. And at the right side we're finding the same button layout as player 1 And right top we're finding the speaker. Let's check out how loud this thing goes. That is pretty damn loud. Let's take a close look at the screen itself. They are using a normal LCD 17-inch 4:3 ratio screen for the old school retro game experience. I hope you can see it on the camera, but the view angle of this screen is very nice compared with some of these Chinese arcade machines. And when we're powering on this system, you're seeing this awesome Arcade1up decal. So far I know, there is no way of getting behind a menu for difficulty settings and etc. And this is the menu itself. 3 games, that's it. It's finally time to play some Street Fighter. We're starting with Street Fighter 2 Championship Edition.
Round 1, fight!
Japan. Round 1, fight!
I'm missing out a sound effect. What the heck?
Round 1, fight! You win! Round 2, fight!
I'm getting my ass kicked in the second round. So for the final conclusion about the Arcade1up cabinet. If you can get this for a cheap price like me, yeah, it's pretty nice to have this in your collection. Here in the Netherlands, they ask around 400 up to 600 euro. So is it worth that much? No, not at all. Not the point you're getting only 3 games, but if you look at the overall quality, no. If you can get it for a cheap price, why not? If you like Street Fighter, and again, you can modify the system itself. So, little shout out to Retro Ralph. Check out his YouTube channel. He has a lot of feature about Arcade1up, a lot of awesome projects. Check out his channel. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the little bell. And see you next time. And stay wicked. I'm going to play some games.
Fight!